Hello, my name is Jimmy and this is the 2021 Toyota Sienna. We're going to see if it can family. Obviously it can, but just how well. Let's take a look at the middle row as well as the third row just to see how well the Clek Liing, Foonf, as well as the Baby Zen Yo-Yo fits in this vehicle. Let's take a look. Alright, the second row for the Sienna. As you can see here, I have the Foonf installed on the passenger side and I have the Liing base installed on the driver's side. I do have the seat here moved all the way to the back, so it's actually easier for me to gain access to the third row. So if you're letting occupants in, this is actually not too difficult. In this version of the Sienna, there's a total of 5 different positions for lower anchors. There's one on the driver's side on the second row, one on the passenger side here, one on the driver's side on the third row, and one on the passenger side on the third row. The middle is paired with the driver's side. So if you're going to be using that middle lower anchor, well, you're going to be losing the driver's side. So technically a full set of 4, but there's a 5th as an additional option. If you have the 8-passenger version of the Sienna, you actually get one more seat here in the center, and it includes a lower anchor as well. So you technically can fit 3 across, as it is going to be wide enough. In terms of upper anchors, on this 7-passenger version of the Sienna, there's one on the driver's side here in the second row, one for the passenger side, and 3 for the third row. If it is the 8-passenger version, there's a total of 6. The anchors themselves on the second row here are very easy to get to. There's a large cutout within the foam to, well, just install the seat very easily. For the third row, it is a little bit more difficult as the anchor itself is a little bit more hidden. But once you have it installed, it's definitely not going to cause you any issues. Something that's really nice for the Sienna is just the ability to move these seats fore and aft. Right now I have it pushed all the way back, so it's easier to gain access to the third row. But when you have to put the child in, this is not going to be, well, that great. So we can move the seat forward. Nice and easy, slides all the way forward so you can put your child in or out of the vehicle itself. Let's get the Liing in there just to show you how easy that is as well. In terms of getting the Liing into the second row, it's very easy. Because the Sienna does have power operated doors, there's actually a foot kick switch. So if I just kick underneath the sensor here, this door, well, just slowly glides open and you're able to put the seat in with ease. Simple as that. As you can see here in the third row, I have the Foonf on the passenger side and the Liing here on the driver's side. They absolutely fit. And there's actually a little bit more space here in the center. So you certainly can fit 4, 5, or even 6 children in a Sienna when properly equipped. Let's take a look at the trunk just to see what else we can fit back there. Now that we got everyone inside the cabin, let's take a look at the trunk. The Sienna's trunk is relatively large, so there's a lot of space in here. We can either press a button or kick underneath the vehicle and the hatch itself would open. Once you're inside, there's plenty of storage space in here. Full-size stroller, no problem. Costco run, absolutely. There's even little grocery bag hangers here, so that it's easy for you to, well, hang your groceries, obviously. Let's put the yo-yo in here. I mean, it is a very compact stroller. This, definitely not a problem at all. But with a compact stroller, it just means you have more space for everything else. And I think that's really it. And that's exactly how your entire family and all their stuff fits inside this 2021 Toyota Sienna. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Take care and have a great day.